And I was the only person working on it. We're doing ads and we were doing A+ content and just, obviously we did some paid traffic with that, but I just felt like I've always been such a builder and I've always been such an entrepreneur. Like when I was growing up, in college, I had a jewelry company. I was making jewelry for bridesmaids and prom dresses, and people would send me pictures of their outfits, and I would craft something that I thought would look good. And so I had that. I had a tutoring company. I've had so many businesses in my life that I got to the point where I was just like, you know what? I'm putting a lot of effort into someone else's business. And I am so grateful for the experience that I've had doing that because I couldn't do what I do now without going through all of that with marketing and events and content. But I got to a point where I was like, I really want to build something for myself. And I think that I could do something that's going to be highly impactful to solve problems that I ran into when I was sick. So I feel like for me, having the unique experience of being sick for so long and understanding how I wanted to be spoken to in emails and content when I was sick and translating that to these practitioners. And like we said, it's a lot about building trust and it's a lot about giving value and education. It's really, to me, it's not about that like direct sales. Oh, I have a course, it's on 50% off, buy it now. Like that doesn't
Yeah,
work unless they already are on board with you. And
exactly.
so
Yeah.
it was really just a matter of me saying, like, let me sit down and think about what I ran into when I was sick. And the biggest thing, like we had talked about, was not knowing who to work with. So then I started I had told you before this, but I'm coming out with an app that's going to help patients and practitioners sort of match and find each other based on their archetypes and based on root causes and some other factors. So I'm just trying to think through like, how do I actually have a big purpose and take all of this trauma that I went through in my life and use it for something really good that's going to help people at scale. So that's really the biggest thing for me. And I started my business in 2019, and so it was really nice during COVID to help practitioners transition from brick and mortar to virtual practices. So we kind of went through COVID all together and just learning how to build a brand online and everything like that. So a lot of it is just like, what can I do to actually do good in the world and build something that's going to help the most people?